welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. In this episode, I'm going to talk about foil and why I think you should be targeting foil on the beach. Now, I know it's a lot of digging trash, but let me show you how I use my techniques to quickly get through it, guys. We will be selecting the winner of last week's Would You Dig It, and at the end of this video, I have another Would You Dig It contest giveaway for a $25 Amazon gift card. So guys, let's get started. Guys, I got a target right here, another low tone. Nice and low, it's a 2. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I'm gonna put earphones on you. Now I noticed that was shallow, and anytime I see anything shallow like that, I'm just gonna give it a foot sweep. And right there in front, it came out. So it wasn't quite foil, but it was some type of foil lined container. Okay, but it's those pleasant surprises when you kick them. You can't ignore those 1s and 2s. Okay guys, I got another one right here. That's a 4 bark and seal. All right, also shallow and also right out of the hole. You know, I'm waiting for that pleasant surprise. Now sometimes we get a nice pleasant surprise with that kick, and other times we actually have to dig it out of the hole. I got another target right here, springing up at 3. It's a little broken up and sketchy. I am discriminating because this is kind of a trashy, oh, that's why. And you know, it wasn't anything great, but it's something weird and unusual. Okay guys, I got another one right here. Definitely a barking seal. Kick it, and look what we got there. That's a prime example of what I was talking about, guys. But I did put that there, you guys know I did. All right, but I wanted to show you that's what it's gonna look like when you kick it out of the hole. All right, and even though that's gold looking, that is gold over silver. Okay, and I found it just that very way, I believe. Okay, and I find a lot of silver stuff, you know, that's not connected, that's just kind of laying out. If I don't see it in the sand, sometimes it's just a kick. Because guys, look, even though it disappears in the sand, it stays right on top. You know what I mean? That's the thing about chains. Heavy stuff disappears real quick. This is kind of heavy for what a chain is, right? But still nothing. Now let's get into the good stuff, and I'm going to show you some good stuff here. Okay guys, right here, a gold ring right there. Okay, you can probably see it, and watch this. See how this rings up? That is a low tone, right? That's a 3. It's not broken, it's a complete circle, right? Usually I believe the gold rings that I find, that's fairly thin, but we'll look at it closer. Now look at this one. This isn't very thin. It's also gold, right? White gold. Both of them are barking seals, and both of them are beautiful gold rings. All right, both of them. Fairly thin, like kind of like foil would be, right? But I don't know about this one, maybe because it's open a little bit. I haven't cleaned these up, that's why I used them for the tutorial. All right guys. Okay guys, I set down 2 more objects. One is a little pendant right there. Okay, I found that down in La Jolla, I believe. And this gold ring I found over at Sunset Beach right down the street. That one sounded like foil wad. Let's take a look at it. And this one here, it sounded like a 1 or a 2, like a small piece of foil. And guys, I use 5 tones And that's a beautiful 14 karat gold mom pendant, or number one mom pendant. All right. And this is actually a broken ring. And I was thinking that's why it was ringing up that way, because it's actually fairly heavy. You know, it's not a small ring at all. So it's just broken, separated. See that? So guys, I got one more to show you. Okay guys, this is a solid 10 karat gold chain. It is clasped, it is functioning, it is in a circle, but check this out. It doesn't even get higher than a 2. And it's a complete chain, right? By the way, this is one that I found by sight. All right, I did put the detector over it when I saw it, just to see what it'd ring up. And once it rang up such a low tone, I'm like, I think that's gold. Is it, you know? So guys, that phone that you heard in the background, that was my daughter calling me, letting me know she's on her way to the hospital to give birth to my grandson, guys. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm a nervous wreck right now. And I can't be there. That's the sad part. This COVID crap needs to come to an end. That baby needs its grandpa there. You know, I need to be teaching treasure hunting to this baby right now. I've been teaching it while it's in the womb already. It's been listening to Fun with Jim, Tutorial Tuesdays. So guys, I just wanted to make sure that I showed you some of my successes of digging those foil tones. I would have never have found all those foil tone gold if I didn't dig just about everything, right? So I don't want to dig the thousands and thousands of pieces of foil, because we know Modelo bottle caps leave little tiny pieces of foil all over the beach, and the Equinox is so sensitive, it goes over. So you kick, right? Fast, move on, fast, move on. But I also wanted to talk about last week's episode of Tutorial Tuesday, where I talked about target extraction, being quick so I could dig more targets. Guys, it's also so I can slow down. Faster recovery allows me to slow down on the beach and enjoy some of the scenery, all right? So don't think I'm just racing to dig the targets. No, I want to extract the target quickly and move on to the next. So last episode, I just wanted to make sure that was clear. All right, and in this episode, if you're not digging foil, you're gonna miss out on some of those low tone gold. So when we're out there, I want to iterate. If we're ignoring the foil, you're gonna miss some of those good gold. You've seen some of the success that I've had of finding that gold. So you want to be quick and efficient and extract the target as quick as you can so you can move on to the next. And foil is just one of those targets, okay? Get it out of the way, verify what it is, make sure it's not gold before you pass it up. That's all Jim's saying, guys. So let's select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? Okay guys, I have a target right here for you. Let me go 90 degrees. Would you dig it? And if you would dig it, comment below what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. Alright, I'm going to go 90 degrees one more time. Okay guys, let's dig this one up. You guys ready? How about a walking Liberty $50? Okay guys, it's time to select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? I'm going to my TubeBuddy app. I'm going to pick a winner. Comment must contain the words. Guys, I was going to choose silver coin, but one person guessed the exact coin, so I am just going to put walking in because he did choose Walking Liberty $50. And I do believe his name was DNS. Pick a winner. DNS, congratulations. Walking Liberty $50 is the exact answer I was looking for. Send me an email and I will send you out your $25 Amazon gift card. Congratulations, DNS. Send me an email and I will send you out your $25 Amazon gift card. And guys, don't get discouraged because you know we have another Would You Dig It contest giveaway for our $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday happening right now. So let's check this one out. Okay guys, I got one here for you. And of course, you know I went with a low tone today, right? Would you dig it? And if you would dig it, comment below what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card. Guys, I'm going to go 90 degrees right here. All right, we'll go back. All right, comment below what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. Would you dig it? I dug it. Would you dig it? And if you would dig it, comment below what you think it is, and you'll have an opportunity to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. So guys, I haven't heard a word from my daughter yet. I'm a nervous wreck. And if you like my videos, please click like. If you want to see more, consider subscribing, ringing that bell, and receive all the notifications every time I release a new video. And I promise I'll let you guys know as soon as my grandson is born, okay? And please take a look at either one of these videos.